In today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how you can start making money promoting United States offers on Cpagrip. And if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to make money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So I'm going to refresh this page right now for those who might be doubting. So basically now I'm going to be taking an offer right here as an example. So basically, like I always say, you want to go for offers that actually solve people's problem and offers that people care about. So basically this one right here is an example that says earn cash from home right now. A lot of people are out there who are trying to make money online, and this offer right here is going to pay you 86 cents. As you can see, the offer, like I said, is a offer related to making money online. And you already know there are a lot of people who are looking to make money online. So basically this offer is going to convert like crazy as long as you promote it properly. So now if I copy the link to this offer right here and I paste it in a new tab, all right, as you can see right here, this is the exact page of this offer right here. Okay, so basically if anyone from the United States lands on this page and they type in their email address right here, just like this, and they click on this continue button right here, you've made yourself money. Okay, so basically that is how it works. All they just need to do is submit their email and you make money. So now I'm going to show you how to use this powerful website right here. As you can see, it gets 190 million visits every single month. And if I scroll down right here, majority of its traffic is from the United States. As you can see right here, over 30% is from the US alone. So if we come back to this offer page right here, so now like I said, you want to copy the link right here. As you can see, it's an email submit offer right here. So they submit their email address, you make money. So once you copy the link, you want to head over to this website right here to shorten the CPA link. So you want to paste the link in this box right here and you want to click on shorten. So the website in question that you want to use to make money is imgur.com. So if we come over to imgur.com and we type in make money right here and you click on search, as you can see, this hashtag is getting a lot of views on Imgur. You can see right here over 400,000 views on this post alone. You can see this one over 180,000. So basically this hashtag is getting a lot of traction on Imgur. So what you want to do from here, if you don't know how to create an account on Imgur, so to create an account on Imgur, all you just need to do is click on this sign up button right here. All right, so once you come over to this page right here, you want to create your account right here. You can use your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram right here to create your account. And all you just need to do is add a phone number here to verify your account. And to do that, you can basically go to your app store and you want to come to the search bar right here and you want to type in free USA number. So once you type that right here, you can see these are free apps that you can use to get free USA phone number to verify your account. All right, so once you have your account created on Imgur, you want to basically come over to this new post right here. Okay, so once you do that, then you want to go back to this offer page right here and you want to screenshot this page. So once you open your snipping tool on your PC, all you just need to do is click on new right here and you want to screenshot this page. Okay, so once you screenshot this, all you just need to do is save it to your PC and then you want to come over to Imgur right here to upload the image. All right, as you can see right here, the image of the landing page has been uploaded right here. So now you want to give your post a title. All right, and you want to type in a title that looks like this: make money sharing your opinion. It's that simple. And now you want to write a short description right here: make cash from home by making money sharing your opinion. And now you want to type in something like join now and you want to paste in your cut link right here and you want to make sure you give a space right here. Okay, now you want to type in something like remove that space. So once they come over here, all they just need to do is copy this link right here. So all they just need to do is paste in the link in their browser like this and remove these spaces right here. And once they do that and click on go, as you can see, it's going to redirect them to the page of this CPA offer. So basically that is all you need to do. And you want to add in some tags right here like make money, and you want to click on enter and you want to add another tag. All right, you can see there are some suggested tags right here. Okay, so basically you want to add as many tags that are related to make money online as possible. All right, so as you can see, these are some examples of tags that I just added. So you want to make sure you add as many tags as you can to this post right here, and all you just need to do is click on post right here. Now you want to click on post publicly. So once you do that, you are going to be getting traffic from the United States. Like I showed you, most of the traffic that comes to Imgur every single day is from the United States. Okay, so basically this is how you can start promoting as many United States offer on Imgur. All you just need to do is to make sure you shorten the link, and you want to add in a simple text to make people want to click on that link. So as you can see, this is a very easy and simple strategy that you can do every single day to get traffic to your CPA offers. Also, another website you can use is answer.com, as you can see right here. But this website gets over 7 million views every single month, and majority of its traffic is 60% United States. So you can imagine how much people you can reach on this website to make money with United States offers. So basically all you just need to do is to look for question right here and answer those questions. All right, so after typing how to make money online right here, you can see there are people who are asking question right here. How can regular people make money online fast? Is it actually possible to make money online? So basically you can see this type of questions are the questions you are going to answer. You are going to redirect them to this CPA offer page right here, and once they submit their email, you make money. And just like I showed you right here, over 60% of the traffic is United States. So you can expect most of the people asking these questions to be from the United States. All right, so basically all you just need to do is click on the questions and give a short answer by coming to this comment section right here. If you don't know the answer, all you just need to do is to go over to Google and you can type in that question right here. So basically if you come over to Google and type in the question, you can see these are tips. You can just basically copy this tip and paste it right here, and you want to add a link to this CPA offer right here. Another strategy you can use is coming over to reddit.com. Basically Reddit too has majority of United States traffic. So all you just need to do is type in how to make money online right here, and you want to filter the result to the last 24 hours or the past week. So if I take the past week as an example, you're going to see a lot of people asking questions right here. You can see this one, how to make money online as a teenager 7 days ago. So basically all you just need to do is reply this question right here. You can see another one right here, 23 hours ago, how to make money online. You can basically come here and drop your comment and telling people how to make money online with these tips right here. Okay, so after adding this tip, then you want to make sure to include the link to this CPA offer in the comment. All right, the same thing also applies. You can go over to Quora and do the same thing as well. If you can see right here, so many questions about how to make money online. Just basically answer these questions by copying these simple tips right here and include your CPA link. So basically that's all for this video, and remember, if you don't take action, you are not going to get any results. And that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value, please drop a like on the video, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.